Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your Wallops daily briefing for Monday, November 6th. We're going to be seeing some mostly cloudy skies, but very warm conditions across the area today before we get some scattered showers later this afternoon and early this evening, and can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well. So taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we did see an unseasonably warm day yet again for many locations across the mid-Atlantic. The cool spots were near our nation's capital. They only reached in the low 60s up there, but elsewhere, widespread upper 60s and low 70s were reported across the mid-Atlantic region. This morning, our low was 61, which is more lined up with what our seasonable or average high for this time of year would be. So we're definitely seeing a continued warm air mass across the region, but that does look like it's going to change here by tomorrow. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures warm once again across the area. Widespread mid-60s reported under cloudy to mostly cloudy skies as we have a front approaching the area, which should impact the region late this afternoon. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, not seeing a whole lot of wind shear in the atmosphere this morning, as we're seeing some pretty constant wind speeds as well as wind direction across the entire column. Just above the surface, we're seeing winds southwesterly around 30 to 35 knots across basically in the entire column up to 20,000 feet, where they only increase slightly at that 25,000 foot level to 45 knots. And we are seeing a freezing level this morning just below 13,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, you can see that front draped across the eastern portions of the Midwest there, and that is going to continue to move eastward towards our region today. There is some widespread shower activity ahead of that front, and we do anticipate those showers to move across the region late this afternoon, but it is going to be a quick mover, so only expecting a little bit of rain as this line moves pretty quickly here, mainly after 5 p.m. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, you can see those showers impacting portions of western Virginia this morning, and those will continue to slowly move across the area. I think this initial batch of showers is going to dissipate before it reaches our local area, and then as the actual front approaches, that's where we're going to see our best chance for some showers and perhaps an isolated thunderstorm, and that's going to be mainly between about 5 and 9 p.m. later this evening. Prefrontal winds are going to be southwesterly today, and that is going to help usher in a very warm air mass. We're going to be seeing those temperatures run 10 to 15 degrees above average across the Delmarva, so another unseasonably warm day ahead of this front. Taking a look at our forecast planner, we do anticipate that cool front to pass the region this evening. This is looking at around 8 p.m., and that is the time we do anticipate those showers. And like I said before, not looking at a lot of rain as this shower activity is going to move pretty quickly through the area. But we are going to be seeing quite a cool down behind this front as high pressure settles in across the Great Lakes region. This front is going to actually kind of stall just to the south of the area, and there is going to be several waves of energy riding along this front. So it does look like we are going to get a fairly dry day tomorrow morning, although it will be cloudy and chilly. But by tomorrow afternoon, one of those waves of energy is going to pass across the region in the form of a weak low, and that is going to give us quite a good amount of rain for our Tuesday evening and the Tuesday night time frame. So looking like a pretty rainy and gloomy setup for the next couple days. Not looking at any real heavy rain possibilities, but we can be looking at, especially tomorrow night, some light, steady rain through Wednesday as well. As we go into Wednesday p.m., we're going to be looking at that front start to move off, but still some uncertainty in the models on how quickly that front is going to move out of here, as well as that energy that's going to continue bringing us some light rain chances through the end of the week. So as we go into our Thursday morning time frame for our scheduled rollout, still looking like a chance for some scattered light rain showers, but that's something we'll be keeping an eye on to see if that front will be moved out of here enough to remove any rain chances for that time period. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, just looking around the 20 to 30% chance of showers and about a 20% chance of a thunderstorm, mainly between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. as we go into this evening. We're going to be looking at an unseasonably warm high today of 76 degrees. Winds are going to max out today around 10 to 15 knots from the southwest, gusting to 21 knots. And then behind that front, we're going to see those winds shift northerly tonight and tomorrow morning around 9 to 14 knots. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, We're going to continue to see a scattered deck of lower level clouds near that 2,000 foot level through the rest of the workday today. And as we go into the mid-afternoon period, we're going to see a deck near the 4,000 or 5,000 foot level become broken as that front approaches. And then we will be seeing some overcast skies at times with any shower activities early this evening and through around the 10 p.m. hour. Behind that front, we should see clouds briefly clear out a bit, only becoming a few at around 30,000 feet. Still expecting a broken cirrus deck, though, tonight around 25,000 feet. Then as we go into tomorrow morning, clouds are going to quickly increase yet again, becoming broken at 3,000 and broken at 15,000 near 8 a.m. as we get that next wave of energy approaching the area for some rain for tomorrow afternoon and evening. So taking a look at the next few days, looks like our stretch of unseasonably warm conditions is going to end tomorrow. We're only expecting a high of 57 behind that front, and we are going to be looking at those chances for late afternoon and evening showers. On Tuesday night, a low of 48 is expected, but we are going to be looking at cloudy conditions, and we can expect some rain chances, especially before midnight for Tuesday night. And those rain chances are going to continue into Wednesday. Still looking at cloudy skies. We're going to be looking at those scattered light showers throughout the day. So not looking like a whole lot of rain, especially for Wednesday, but it's going to be cloudy and dreary next few days, and it's going to be unseasonably cold as well, especially as we get into Wednesday with a high of 55 expected. Taking a look at the next few days here. So like I said, the next few days are going to be cool and rainy as we have that stationary front just to the south of the area, bringing some waves of energy to continue those light rain chances. Does look like that front is going to be kicked out of the area as we go into Thursday. So Friday and Saturday is going to be a little bit chilly, or highs only expected around 50 degrees, but we are going to be looking at partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. Canadian high pressure does look to set up across the mid-Atlantic to northeastern region on Saturday morning for our launch. That is going to give us some mostly clear skies and perhaps some light winds, but it is going to be very cold. We are expecting our first freeze for the region that Saturday morning with a low of 29 expected. And then as that high pressure moves slowly to the east, we are going to get a return to more seasonable temperatures for Sunday with highs in the lower to mid-60s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily ops briefing and at 10 a.m. for a full weather briefing. Have a great day.